Russian kitchen vocabulary. Your first 15 words. Ever felt lost in a new place like you've landed on another planet? That's what a Russian kitchen can feel like at first. But don't worry. In just 5 minutes, you'll master all the necessary vocabulary and feel right at home. Section 1. Around the kitchen. First up, the heart of the home, the kitchen itself.
Кухня.
Кухня.
Fridge.
Холодильник.
Холодильник.
And where the magic happens, the stove is a.
Плита.
Плита.
When it's time for a break, you'll hear the whistle of the kettle.
Чайник.
Чайник.
Finally, you'll gather around the table
Стол.
Стол.
and take a seat on a chair.
Стул.
Стул.
Section 2. Setting the table. Now let's set that table. You'll need a plate,
Тарелка.
Тарелка.
and for soup or salad, a bowl.
Миска.
Миска.
For your drinks, you'll use a glass for water,
Стакан.
Стакан.
and a cup for tea.
Чашка.
Чашка.
And for the utensils, the fork is,
Вилка.
Вилка.
the spoon is,
Ложка.
Ложка.
and the knife is.
Нож.
Нож.
You're ready for a meal. Section 3. The magic phrase. Okay, you're at the table and you're thirsty. The most essential drink is water. But the heart of Russian hospitality is tea. So how do you ask for it politely?
Можно мне чашку чая?
Можно мне чашку чая?
It means, can I have a cup of tea? Is the key to getting that warm welcome drink. Say it again with a smile.
Можно мне чашку чая?
Можно мне чашку чая?
You did it. You started out lost and now you can navigate a Russian kitchen. Keep practicing and don't miss our next video. Hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified. Until then, see you in the kitchen.
Увидимся на кухне.